we are going to present the political and internal regulation adopted for the consortium organization. The consortium is built on a memorandum of understanding whose goal is to define its activity, the membership, and the political organization. The internal regulation completes the memorandum of understanding by defining the duties and rights for members, a set of good practices and consortium quality policy, and current management procedure and tools. On the following slide, we explain the political and technical organization of the consortium. The consortium is composed of two boards, the boards of directors and scientific and technical board. This last is composed of four working groups: the technical operational working group, the training and support working group, the user working group, the technical and quality working group. The activities of the technical operational working group include the federation of new database or data provider. If the new data are fully compatible, then the training and support working group will be in charge of the new data provider. If data are not compatible, there will be a link with the research and development working group. Indeed, the research and development working group is in charge of the evolution of standard and software for meeting community needs. The monitoring activity concerns the monitoring of all the elements of the infrastructure. The training and support working group creates and maintains support and training materials, organizes tutorials, and work with technical operational working group and user working group for building tutorials on up-to-date products and features, and for meeting the needs coming from the user community. The user working group is the interface between the consortium and the user communities. We recall that the VAMDC users are both end users and data provider. The user working group gathers needs from community and relay them to technical operational working group and to training and support working group. The technical and quality working group defines the quality procedures, rules, and good practices, the duties required from data providers, the set of procedures for publishing new software, the key performance indicator for evaluating the infrastructure. Moreover, it administers collaborative tools for technical management, example given Redmine. Up till now, we have presented only the technical working group attached to the scientific and technical board, but we also have two scientific working groups, the evaluation and validation working group and the international collaboration working group. The evaluation and validation working group defines the scientific evaluation of datasets contained into the infrastructure. It works via connection to other networks that assess atomic and molecular data. The International Collaboration Working Group collaborates with other networks and data centers. It disseminates the VAMDC protocols and philosophy and scans opportunities for VAMDC engagement in funded projects. All the evolutions, rules, good practices, inclusion of new database members are proposed by Scientific and Technical Board to the Board of Directors. This last has the power to vote and promulgate all the evolution and rules. We conclude with this slide on how financing the sustainability. The consortium is funded by internal funding. An annual fee is required for every consortium member according to MOU, in the form of money or in the form of human resource. These are used for maintaining the infrastructure and run the consortium. We may also have external funding. The consortium may answer to incoming project call, example given H2020 programs, or the consortium may contract specific development and/or services with private enterprises or institutes outside the consortium. Thank you very much for your attention.